teman-teman semuanya, selamat datang di Ila Jalan Jajan Makan. Kia ora.
I'm Nathan.
And I'm Ila. Today we will do unboxing from Whittaker. From Whittaker. Thank you so much Whittaker for sending us the new flavor.
Thank you for sending us the new flavor.
You like? Okay, so today Mason will do unboxing. So can you guess what's inside?
I'll do it.
Yeah, I will just open it because it's sharp. Ibu do it, and after that you will open it. Agree?
Agree.
Okay, now you open it. What's inside?
What?
Yeah.
Wow!
Bruh.
That.
My favorite! It's my it's my favorite, Mama.
What is your favorite?
This!
100,000?
Yes, I can give you this. So ice cream.
For your ice cream, correct. We usually put 100,000 on the ice cream and on the bread, isn't it? So this is, I think that's empty. Yeah, this is only the paper. So we put it back, and then we open it.
Can we open it?
Here we can.
And then ice cream.
Is it ice cream? I don't know what's inside. Can you guess what's inside? Can you open?
I need to get the ice cream.
We open this first. How about we open this first? Do you agree?
Okay.
Okay, so there you go. Open it.
What? Wow, my favorite.
Your biggie.
My
So show to the camera what you got.
this
We got the chocolate.
and this
We got the 100,000 itself.
and this.
And 100,000 cookie bear from Griffin.
That was my favorite.
Your favorite.
I want.
Congratulations, chocolate lover. Clearly you already know that everything is better covered in 100,000, especially your face. And the great news is because you used and shared 100,000 AR lens, now you also a winner. Hope you enjoy Andrew and Brian
I'm a
Whittaker.
winner.
Thank you so much for sending us this. You're a winner.
Yeah.
So
Can we open it?
the 100,000 limited edition Whittaker. It's a white chocolate collaboration with the cookie bear from Griffin, and it's back again. It's 28% cocoa, and it has, there you go, so you can
Can I
see
eat it?
cookie bear and the Whittakers.
Can I open
And
it?
this is the ingredients. You want to open it?
Yes, I want to open it now. It's so delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Here you go. It's cookie bear, 100,000. Your favorite Iki, isn't it?
Yeah.
And do you want to show? And this is from the Whittakers, the 100,000. It's super cool. It's a gold and the transparent jar with the 100,000 with the pink Whittakers. Everything's better covered in 100,000. You want to open it? Ooh, it's pink. Oh, there you go. It's pink! Look at that. Wait, let me show you.
Wow, it's so very big.
So you can see this is pink with the lot of hundreds and thousands inside it.
Can I see? Can see.
You can't see. Yeah, with hundreds and thousands. You wanna bite it or break it? Break it. And it has the biscuit. What do you think? What do you think?
It's so good.
Oh, good. I don't feel the biscuit. Can you feel it?
Oh, I can get
Yeah, it has a lot of rainbow, isn't it? Mmm. You like one? Yeah. Okay, two. I'll show you. So it has a biscuit over here, and it has. Let me zoom it. Oop, it's upside down. So it has Whittaker's logo with lots of 100,000. As you can see, it's a colorful rainbow like Vincent said. Biscuit. Mmm. Mama?
Yeah.
And what you gonna do with this one?
This and the ice cream.
Oh, with ice cream? Okay. We'll be right back.
This one.
Hi, we're back. We're gonna put this one, the Whittaker's one.
Yeah.
Do you want me to open?
You have to open it.
It's an already cut ice cream. And open it. Dancing. Yeah. Oh, it's easy to open. So which one do you want? This one or this one? This is for Ibila. And do you want to put this one? Oh, yeah. Thousand. Do you want to put? Camera. Yum. What do you think? Yummy? I'll do. Here's Mason's creation. Ice cream. Mason's idea to put ice cream. 100,000. And we're with the Whittaker's 100,000. New chocolate. Cheers. Alright, we will continue eating our chocolate. 100,000, our Vicky, and our ice cream. Thank you so much, Whittaker, for sending us this. We are so lucky and honored to review and to do the unboxing of this. So far, what do you think? Is it good or What is it? Is it good? Yeah, I feel it tastes good too for me. And I like it because I love pink, and this is like pink and all the rainbows, isn't it?
And I want this rainbow and this and this.
Oh yeah, because it's your favorite Vicky, isn't it? And then they put into the chocolate. Yeah. And we still can feel the biscuit. This is, if you break it, so yeah.
And I miss it.
You miss it? Yeah.
Because I like pink.
You like the pink one, you also like the pink one. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, Whittaker. Bye bye. See you on the next video.